Christmas! Merry Christmas, everybody! I hope you all hope you're all having a wonderful Christmas. Simba, say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. I'm going to be filming a get ready with me today. Just a quick, easy, simple look. Very excited. So here we go. I'll just get right into it. Hey, okay. So I bought this thing. Isn't it so cute? It's for your hair. I found it at Marshall's, of course, because that's literally where I find everything. Marshall's. It's where I got all my Christmas gifts because, you know, you can just find everything there. One-stop shop and then you're done. I'm just about to put on some moisturizer real quick. It's this Ultra facial cream from Kiehl's. And I'm just gonna do like a natural, simple, glowy makeup look. This is kind of what I did yesterday, but I didn't have time to record, and I was gonna record it, but it was kind of nighttime anyway. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cute. I'm obsessed. I have the Smashbox primer. I'm just gonna put that on real quick. Hey, what's that? So this product is my favorite product in the world. $40, but you know what? Totally worth the money. It's just beautiful. It's called Skin Love and I don't know, Glow Nectar. So it's like a radiating glow, like I don't know how to explain it, okay? But I just know it's amazing and it makes your skin look flawless and it just totally worth the money. So I just do one here, one here, one here. Just makes your face glow so much, especially when you have like this is just a glowy look. Okay, so here we go. Look how much it's already glowing. Like, wow. Do you see that? Wow. I usually do this primer as well, but I forgot. This is my Backlight priming filter by Becca. Oh my gosh, guys. These two products are literally amazing. My life. Amazing. So I just do like two small pumps of this and put it everywhere. And this stuff right here will make you glow, baby. Like, I'm serious. If you're looking for a serious glow, this is it. And it has like, I like how it has a little bit of a tint as well. So you could also wear it by itself if you wanted. Oh my gosh. Right? Yes. Next, we have this. This stuff right here is amazing too. This is CC by It, and it's illuminating cream. Oh my gosh. It's perfect coverage, and it's a little bit dark right now because this is from when I usually have my self tanner on, but I don't. So it's a little bit dark right now. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my where is it? Here we go. Here we are. Found it. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit. It's so old, but whatever. I still love it. And then I don't know what this is. This is so old too. Sonia Kashuk. And it's just like, I just like to mix this glowy one with these glowy ones because everything has to glow. You know what I mean? Okay, so you just go in with these. By the way, not a professional. Don't know what I'm doing, but hey. I still think it looks pretty darn good. So now we need to apply something for our under eyes because those are not good ever. This is Bye Bye Under Eye by It. You are it, you know? It does it for me. it is it. We are in the money. Okay, now we need to bake. Let's bake. Okay, now I have this Tarte Smooth Operator. And I just take it under my eyes. Next! Oh my gosh, Simba! Okay, he's running around like a crazy person right now. Are you okay? Where is the freaking blush? Here's the blush. Alright, so we have NARS, and this is Orgasm. This is literally the first blush my mom ever bought me. Well, no, she bought me like a cheaper one, of course, but like this is the first like good one she ever bought me, and I've gone through like I think 5 in my whole life. Probably not 5. Probably just like 3. This is probably my 3rd because these are expensive. I don't like expensive makeup. I would rather spend my money traveling, doing other fun things. Don't you love when you can't find anything and you're trying to get ready and you have to be somewhere in like 20 minutes? Yeah, I love that. Okay, finally. This is the Anastasia dip brow. Okay, we have to be very careful with this, so I'm gonna look in the Okay, so I need to go back and blend.
Ooh, milk in it.
Oh my god, shut up. Oh my god.
I'm just kidding.
You're really ruining my Christmas spirit.
Aw, I'm sorry.
Hey.
You look so beautiful.
Aw, thank you. Next, this Too Faced You're So Jelly is my life.
AC on. It's fucking burning hot.
Oh my god, babe.
I feel the heat coming off you. So
I'm gonna have to wait till you get out of the room. Get out of my fucking... Aw, babe. I'm sorry I'm so hot. You can turn on the AC. Okay, so...
I think it was actually your fault. You just let out.
Oh my god, babe, I'm trying to record. So I just put this highlighter on my cheek right here, just like that. So you can kind of get the idea. You see what I'm doing. I just put a lot of this on my cheek. I just do like that, like a line like that. And then just blend that all in. And then another one like that. And then down my nose. You know what? Just put it everywhere because, girl, it's Christmas. You need to be looking like a whole snack. I mean, a whole meal, not a snack. Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? Okay. I just need to blend this in a little bit better. Okay, so pretty much done. Just need to add some mascara to this and pop a little bit more highlighter on. Oh, This is the Color Pop. This is my favorite highlighter in the world. It's called Flexitarian. Color Pop by Color Pop. Oh my god, the lady at Ulta gave it or showed it to me, and I was like, or she had it on, and I was like, I need that in my life. Yes, yes ma'am, I'll take 2. I got another one just like it. It's called Smoke and Whistles. Ooh, the same one but peach. Ooh. Now, time for the mascara. Currently using this small little sample one from my Ipsy bag from like 5 months ago because I don't have Ipsy bag anymore, but I wish I did because they would always send me fresh ass mascara that was so bomb. Okay, so I don't know what this one is. Too Faced. It's really good. Okay, so here's the completed look. What do you guys think? I forgot the lips. Dang it. I suck at lip liners, so here you go. That's the easy, simple version. The whole time I could have had it way brighter in here, way brighter. I realized that my curtain wasn't open. Hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed my get ready with me. I might as well show you what I'm wearing, so hold on one sec. I don't know where I don't know where I got these from, but they are amazing. They're like super stretchy. I don't know, I just love them. And then this shirt is from Forever 21. So yeah, this is my Christmas look. And then my boyfriend has got me these super soft socks that have like shea butter. Oh my god, they're so amazing. I'm about to wear them with my Uggs. He actually got me these like 2 years ago for Christmas. So yeah, bam, there we are. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back and see us in our next one. We love you so much. Merry Christmas.